plane is flying across the country, and a man and a woman are seated in the first class section. Suddenly, the woman whips out her tissue and sneezes violently. She then shudders violently in her seat before regaining her composure. The man seated next to her looks over his glasses and stares at her because he can't believe how violent this reaction was. A couple of minutes later, she does it again. She whips out a tissue, sneezes violently into the tissue, and then grabs herself and shudders animately. Ma'am, the man asks, "Are you okay?" I've never seen anybody sneeze that hard before. And that shudder, I've never seen anybody sneeze and shudder like that. "Oh," said the woman, "you just have to excuse me. I have this medical condition that every time I sneeze, I have an orgasm." "Wow," said the man, "that is an unusual condition. Are you taking anything for it?" "Yes," she said, "pepper."
We hate asphalt, we like trees, and we love our rodeo.